what lane do I stay in? Do I drive in to when you're doing your road test? Now, many students have asked this question. Whenever you're taking your road test, you must always be on the right side of the street. You must always be on the right hand lane, unless it's a one-way street where you drive in the middle of the street. Then that's when you stay in the middle. But for the purpose of the road test, student always keep the right side of the road. Now, even though you making turns, you've always have to come back to your right side of the road, unless it is a two-lane street. Then you just make a left turn. Then you know the formula, you have to fall in to the nearest lane that you turn into, and by yourself to move over to your right hand lane. But as for the purpose of road test, whenever you're driving at your road test, you must always keep the right side of the road. Failure to do so may result in a condition where you may fail the road test, which you are not looking into. Now, the best way to do whenever you're driving for your road test, keep to your right at all the time, unless in certain circumstances, of course, if you have to go over on your left lane or whatnot, but by yourself, you need to come back to the right side of the road. If not, the examiner at the end of the road test will judge you on that and definitely will fail you the test for failure to keep right. Okay, now once again, I just want to share that with you because many students have asked this question. Now today, there you have it. Now, for instance, here I'm making a right turn. This is a one-way street. Where do I keep? If this was a road test, I'm keeping in the middle, because it's not a two-way street where I could have kept to my right. Since students always keep on the right side of the road, then I would have kept to my right. If it's a one-way street, you drive at the center of the street, leaving equal distance on both sides. You do not want to be in a one-way street over to your right. Then you will be leaving too much gap on your left for people to go around. This become a problem. All right, when you're driving for your road test, short answer to that, always keep on the right side of your road. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so by hitting the subscribe button and also ring the bell, so you'll be notified each time that we drop a video. You will be the first one to be notified. Until then, keep practicing. All right, thank you.